Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, we'll learn how to delete history in Google Chrome on your Android device. This is very easy, so let's start. First open Google Chrome on your device. Now tap on three-dot menu. This is located on the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on history. See here, there are all of your history. You can delete one by one by clicking here, or you can delete all at once. To delete all of this at once, tap on delete browsing data. Now here you can find some option. From here you can select time range. To select time range, tap here. You can delete browsing data for last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. You can select all time. Also you can customize from here, but I recommend you select browsing history, data, and cached image. Now tap on delete data, deleting browsing data. See here, deleted from data. Okay, got it. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting type video. Thank you.